This is the DeWalt DCS331. This is the 18 volt, so it's a cordless tool, 18 volt jigsaw. Fantastic tool, very, very easy to use. Talking about the powerhouse first of all, this operates on any slide pack XR range battery, so that's from 1.5 amp hours right up to the big boy, the 5 amp hour. Loads of runtime, loads of power. Just slips into position like so. You've got the lock position there for when you're storing it away, just so you can actually make sure the tool is locked off. Click that across and it's trigger to start using the tool. Now you'll notice that the speed is controlled by the trigger. So pull it on slowly. Pendulum moves very slowly. Cutting through something like this sheet, you need to cut through fast to clear the waste material. Trigger completely depressed. Wowza. You notice it's braked as well, so as soon as you let go of the trigger, tool stops. Fantastic. Now, round the business end, you can adjust the angle to what you cut. It's all marked clearly on the bezel there, 15, 30, 45, so forth. Great if you're doing a little bit of engineered floor or something like that. You just need to help yourself out by cutting a bit of a bevel. You can also adjust the angle at which you cut at. Now, that doesn't sound important, but say if you're removing an old kitchen worktop and you don't want to destroy the tiles that are behind it, you can use one of the blades which cuts right up to the front. I'll show you this in position in a moment, but used with this in a right angle position, it just makes life a lot easier. A little bit of dust extraction as well. You've got the blower system and you can adjust what power you want that, and that basically just diverts some of the air from the engine, the actual power unit, and it blows out the front to get rid of the dust. Changing the blades over, very easy. All metal clasp, you just pop that back, drop the blade in, and as you can see on the guide there, the front of the guide is deliberately missing, and this is so that this blade can actually do a flush cut, because it will cut right to the very front of the tool. So let's see it in operation. Specs on. That's what I mean about being able to cut right up to the front there. Great bit of kit.